A corned beef and cabbage. There's two sides to the onion. Find the bottom side and cut it down the middle. Everybody freaks out when I cut an onion in my hand. I have no idea why. Cut it again. And then I'm squeezing it apart. I'm going to cover the bottom with onions. This way, as it cooks, that's more flavor that goes into your corned beef. First time I did it, I didn't do it like this. But today we're doing onions, corned beef. Break them up a little. Then we got a bed of onions. Nice and even. Even Steven. Seems I get more views on my corned beef than I get on anything else. One corned beef, fat side down. Alright, pause for the cause. I have some horseradish mustard. Half a bottle. Just smear this over the top. It's called smearing. Yep, smearing. Got a little cavity there. And obviously, I'm going to pause for the cause again. I need to wash my hands. When you buy a corned beef, they usually give you one of these little spice packs over the top of the mustard. Cut up some cabbage. Oops. Press it down. And I love to cook my corned beef in apple juice. Gulp, 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 gulp. 64 fluid ounces apple juice. And that's that. I'm pressure cooking it. And that's going to come out yummy. Love it.